Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can use the magnifier on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from here, there are a number of different ways that you can open up magnifier. So one of the ways is to add a widget to the home screen. On the home screen, once you have added the shortcut, you can simply just tap on it to open magnifier. Other ways is to turn on the shortcuts. To do that, you want to swipe down at the top to go into the quick settings panel. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, tap on visibility enhancements. Now scroll down and then tap on magnifier in the size and zoom section. Then here, tap on the shortcut to switch it on. Tap on the toggle button to turn on magnifier shortcut. Now tap on the left hand side and then choose which shortcut that you would like to use. So here I've got the accessibility button shortcut. So if I tap on that accessibility button at the bottom in the navigation bar, I can open up this menu. Another way is to assign it to the side and volume up keys, or the volume up and volume down keys. So select the shortcut that you would like to use. Then to activate or to turn on magnifier, all you have to do is just press on the side button, then volume up key, press on it once. That will bring up the menu. From the shortcut menu, just tap on the magnifier icon to open up magnifier. Okay, once you have Magnifier app open, what you can do is you can zoom in and out. So here I can pinch out to zoom in or pinch in to zoom out. I can also use the zoom slider bar here to zoom it right in or out by dragging to the right or to the left. At the bottom here is a capture button. So tap on the shutter button to capture a photo. Then we can tap on the download button to save it to your gallery. Or you can just simply cancel it. There is a torch button or the light button that you can turn on to add extra brightness or lighting to your picture. And on the right hand side here is the effect button. Tap on that. This will allow you to change the brightness and the contrast of your picture. So here we can change the contrast and the brightness, and then you can swipe across here to apply different effects. So we've got inverted, black and white and black, yellow and black, and so on. There are many different colors that you could choose. So here I'm going to go back to no effects, and then I tap on capture, then tap on download, and it will be downloaded to my gallery. And here you can see that's my photo right there. Zoom right in. So that's the matte right here, and there's pentalap scrolls, and you can see how close it can zoom in with the camera. So really interesting and cool to use this magnifier. Very great if you need to do some investigative work on a piece of paper or something that needs to zoom in right in. Then you can use the Magnifier app on your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.